What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I might sound a little stuffed up because I am stuffed up. I still feel a little bit shitty, but I wanted to make this video for the reason because I'm 95% sure the Avalanche won't be here much longer. We already have something lined up to replace it. I won't give it away what it is. All I'm gonna say is that it has a manual transmission. That's all I'm gonna say. So I wanted to make this video pretty much just explaining that the Avalanche will not be here much longer, most likely, unless everything falls through. Kind of sad about it, honestly. I know it was just it wasn't anything really too special, but it was special to me. It was my first truck, and it's kind of sad it's going. If the vehicle that is intended to be the replacement to this truck actually happens, we're probably gonna be looking at it here within about, I don't know, 2-3 days from now. And it's not too far away from here, and it probably will be the replacement for this truck. So I kind of just wanted to get one good walk around. Probably the last video made on this truck before it's gone. You guys may be wondering why there's nothing back here. Well, we had to get a new, like the little plastic clips that hold these little metal rods and pull them inwards. When you pull the handle up, they pull them inwards like that. They broke, so we have to get a new one. That's why that's there, and this trim piece isn't on. So yeah, I wanted to say that. Like I said, not sure how long this truck is actually going to be in my possession. Probably the last video with this truck. This is most likely the last time you will see this truck on the channel. So again, really sad because I started this channel with this truck. It will be 2 years in August. It's May right now. It's about midway through May, so it's really not too far away, I guess you could say. Yeah, it just makes me think of like the first times where I drifted this truck. You guys saw in the intro to every single video was that big tall brick building, and you could see me drifting this truck. That wasn't too long after I actually got the truck. The reason, you guys are probably wondering the reason why we're getting rid of it. Well, one, she's pretty rusty, she's old. The engine's not really, it's tired, it's not, it can still go for a long time, but that's not the reason for getting rid of it. The reason is because, well, I'm going off to college now, and driving back and forth to college every single day, you know, it's not wise to have a vehicle that gets average 12 miles per gallon like this big bitch does. So that was the primary reason for getting rid of it. Not only that, because overall it got bad gas mileage, and it's not like I need a truck right now. I really don't need a truck right now because, like, I'm not really towing anything. I have nothing to tow. The only trailer I have is that piece of shit you guys saw, like, I don't know, like a year ago I think it was, that like wooden pile of dog shit on wheels. So yeah, that's about it for what I got for a trailer. So I don't really need a truck right now. I got the Monte Carlo, you guys can see it over there in the garage. Well, I know exactly what it is, but like I won't spoil it yet, but like just saying, it's gonna be a cool car. And it is a car, it's not a truck. Because I was thinking about getting like a Colorado or something like that, so I still have a truck, but those are not trucks. Those are like baby trucks. They're not, I don't know. I don't consider them real trucks, and if you got one you like it, then by all means, that's dope. You do you. It's just personally for me, no. Yeah, just one quick last look around of this truck on the inside. I know I mentioned countless times in videos that this truck, I was gonna do a reveal video. Oh, hang on, we'll get to the reveal video. We'll do the reveal video. We never made the reveal video. And that kind of sucks. It never happened. It never happened. Oh well. plenty of these out there. This wasn't really a super special truck, but it was to me because it was like my first real truck. And it always will be. I probably will end up buying one back in the future one day. Place that back glass. That's, you guys probably didn't notice. It used to have that Avalanche sticker on it. Now it don't, because we were actually loading a fridge into the truck and it tipped over and destroyed the back glass. It just went right through that son of a bitch, right through it. But it was 80 bucks at a scrapyard. I got a brand new replacement. This is out of a, I think, a 08 Avalanche. They use the same design and everything else. But yeah, thank you guys. Obviously, I'm not gonna stop making videos, but thank you guys for sticking around while I made those videos. That truck, because it was a whole lot of fun, and I will miss that truck forever. And that truck currently holds the video with the most views on my entire channel. I think it has like 13,500 views or something like that. And it was when I lifted the front up with the torsion bars. That truck has done a lot for me. It really hasn't let me down at all, if I really think about it. The trans has been somewhat slipping the entire time I've had it, but it hasn't gotten worse at all. So, yeah, truck's got a lot of years left on it. Time to let somebody else enjoy it for a while. Just letting you guys see that this truck one last time before it goes. It's leaving. I'll always have the Monte Carlo. That will never change. That will never change. There's no point for me to get rid of it, really. This thing got, I think this thing averages like 18 something miles per gallon. That average is 12. That, it has like 375 horsepower with a cam in it, and that's a completely stock drivetrain. So yeah, there is zero reason for me to get rid of the Monte Carlo, and I won't. Which is the main vehicle of the channel. So I wouldn't get rid of it either for that reason. So thank you guys so much for watching, sticking around, and liking my videos and everything like that. And I will see all of you in the next one.